Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I am getting a haircut. As you probably know if you follow me on Instagram, because I did tell you guys I was gonna get a haircut, and y'all probably looking at my hair like what the heck is going on. So you have to go in these type of places with no products on your hair whatsoever. And so all I have on my hair right now is the Wash Day Wonder from Diva Curl, and also the No Poo. And I just basically cleansed my hair because I wanted to be super clean for her. But y'all, let me tell y'all something. My hair feels so dry. It feels so dry. I'm like, please hurry up, put some product on it. I don't even want to touch it. I'm so excited because I don't know if I'm going to get the Diva cut or if I'm going to get the Rezo cut. I haven't really decided. But I do know that I am going to get bangs today, and I'm so excited, y'all, because I just don't like the shape of my hair up here. I just want bangs. I had bangs when I first did my whole cut and went completely natural. I did do bangs, but my bangs were damaged, so I'm kind of excited to see how these bangs are gonna look now. Are they gonna look curlier now? Are they still gonna look limp? Like, I'm just ready to see and get some products in my hair. So I'm about to go in, you guys. Look at my hair, you guys, at what my hair looks like before.
Sleeping. A bang and bang.
Oh, I'm so excited.
You did bangs back when they weren't even like in.
I know, I did. You know what's so cool about the fact that I just came back to you is because you literally started my entire career. Oh. Like, because my hair wasn't completely natural. It was just, I had damaged ends. Yes. It was just bad, and you just cut it, and ever since then, that's when I started with my natural hair videos, and now that's what I do.
I love that. It's more fun to cut natural hair because you're shaping and creating, and it's just like sculpting. I love it.
Yes. I can't wait to put the side-by-side pictures of like my hair 3 years ago. You have like amazing parts in each part of your journey though. Like when I first got the haircut, my hair was short, it was cute, it had a bang, like it was cute. I enjoyed it for what it was at that moment, you know?
You don't want your bangs to be perfectly even.
Oh yeah.
Again, you don't want the 4-year-old bangs, you want the flirty eyelash bangs, which are super cute. And always, no tension obviously ever when you're cutting them, but always like prepare for shrinkage, so err on the longer side before you do it, and then watch style and then adjust as you need to.
I love it.
And you want them to be longer, I mean shorter than here, and then kind of frame your face this way, so that way if you pull your hair up, it just looks really super cute.
That's what I want.
Yeah, if you do like
I can't wait to
thing.
with the bang. I'm ready for that.
It's like so 80s, 90s, but it's so cute. We're gonna bring this in. So this is super heavy, if you see that. And that's what's gonna give you.
That's what I've been looking at. Like this, I don't like.
This is Rezo right here. This is the Rezo one. Rezo is basically cutting everything in circles.
Let's do it. No tension. You hear that, guys? Don't do it by yourself, but no tension when.
That's how you get that little. Exactly.
Y'all know my snatch spot. I snatched some hair out, but now it's gonna grow back with the bang.
That's right.
It. Look at that, you guys. Remember, you guys, this is even with no product in my hair whatsoever. So,
but now it has nice. Look at the difference in the lift. Let me take this down this way. Okay. Because this was super cute when you came in. I thought it had great volume, but now.
Oh, but now it's very lifted.
It sits up better.
Yes. Look at it. I'm so happy. I am so happy. Legit laying down. It smells so good in here, you guys, and she shut the door, and it's just very calming. if you really just want to get a nice spa experience, even if you don't want a haircut, just come in and get like, just visit. Like, it's just so calming and relaxing.
Super creamy.
We love creamy.
So,
oh, that smells good.
it smells really good. It has shea butter and quinoa and rice bran oil, and this is yumminess for your hair. So
Quinoa.
hair food.
It definitely is hair food.
Yes. Just working it through, and then we're going to add more water to it. Lots and lots of water, people.
Lots and lots.
Here's the juicy hair.
I love the squishy sound.
I like to go 3 times through the hair without having a little snag, and then I can move on to my next section. And we'll be raking everything today because you want volume. Feel it, and this is another reason why I tell people to detangle with their fingers, because you know what your hair feels like, and you know when you're putting your products in if it's going to work or not. This is called Oasis Moisture Gel.
Okay.
So don't think gel, think moisture. This is your leave-in.
Okay.
So it works great on low porosity and any other hair texture. It works great in my hair, all the way to your hair, depending on the amount that you use.
Okay.
But it's like moisture in a bottle. It clumps the curls. It helps them clump really well.
Sounds like it has nice slip.
It has tons of slip.
We love slip, don't we, guys?
I feel my definition looks good.
Oh, it's juicy.
Yes, happy curls. Happy curls, happy girls. This foam is, again, my Moxie, original Moxie.
Okay.
Called Pop Life. Again, it smells really, I love the way this one smells too. We want to hit the hairline first.
Okay.
Get the hair smooth down a little bit there. But it has like a nice foamy feel to it. It's going to give you loads and loads of volume.
Like this before. This is my hair. I only have a mousse on it, so she wanted it big and fluffy. I'll show you guys the back. Okay, you guys. So as you just saw, I got a haircut, and this is actually, I want to say, about 4 or 5 days later after the haircut, and this is what I'm looking like. Of course, I went home after wash and go because she used a foam with the wash and go, which is perfectly fine, but that's just not my cup of tea. So I was ready to get home and try out some new like combos and see what works best for my hair. And y'all, I've washed my hair literally almost every day trying to figure out the perfect wash and go. This is the Texture ID mixed with the Tropical Moringa Braid Out Glaze from the Main Choice. And I do love this. And at the top, I did finger coils because my bangs are just kind of long. So I'm just playing with some stuff, you guys. So once I get my method down, I promise you, I'm going to let y'all know. Oh my God, I love it so much. But I will say, working with bangs is so different. So my products got to be a little different. The first time when I came home and I did my wash and go, I did the Maelle Curling Custard along with the Style Factor Gel. And it was really, really pretty, but it was just so shiny. And I know that's because of the custard. So I didn't like how shiny it was because, honey, I looked like I had a Jerry curl. And I was like, oh, hell to the no. Hell to the no. So I didn't like that combo because, I don't know, maybe it's the fact that all, you know, my whole head is like hair. So it being super shiny was just like, boom, you know. So I don't know. I'm playing around with this, but like I said, once I get that combo, you guys know. When I get my wash and go combo down, I'm going to let you guys know. Do you guys like it? Y'all, I love it. I love it so much. I just came for a photo shoot, if you guys are wondering. I can't wait till you guys see the photos. Oh my God. They are, whew, they should be really, really good. I love my hair. Let me give you guys kind of a 360. Robin did my hair from Southern Curl, you guys. Please, please, please check her out. It is so important to get a curly cut to shape your face. I feel like everybody needs one. I mean, unless you're somebody who likes to wear your hair straight literally all the time. But then again, even if you like to wear your hair straight, they have the Rezo cut, which cuts in layers so that when you wear it straight, it's still beautiful. Please research the Diva cut and the Rezo cut, but do not be afraid of them. Find a stylist that is very educated on curly hair, and you should be fine. As you saw in the video, she didn't go cut crazy. She looked at my face and said, this is what needs to be cut. This is what needs to be cut. And worked her magic, you know what I'm saying? I want to encourage you guys to just go out on a limb. Just because I said I was getting a haircut, it didn't mean I was going to come out with very short hair or anything like that. A cut literally means you're cutting your hair. With the curly cuts, you can retain your length, but get more volume up top, and it just makes your hair look so much bigger. I bet you guys are looking at the video like, dang, you look like you got more hair than, you know, before you cut it. It's all in the haircut. It is the art of cutting curly hair, and I just think it's beautiful. You know, you have to get something for your face shape. And there's so many different cuts out, you guys. Like, I don't know what you call this. Mine's more rounded, but they have some that come out at like a triangle. They have some that literally is like a heart, and I can kind of make the heart. All I have to do is kind of lift this a lot more and tease it and stuff. And as you can see, I have the heart. So I don't know, you Google pictures and come up, just look through a lot of pictures. This is what I did, you guys. So I looked through a ton of pictures, and I kept just gravitating towards bangs. Like, every picture that I liked had bangs. So I was like, okay, clearly I want bangs. And, you know, I took a few in, and she was like, I know exactly what you want. So this is what I got. I will put all of Robin's information below. She is at Southern Curl. She's amazing. She did my cut 3 years ago, and I'll put that video above so you guys can check that out to see how far we have come. I'm super excited to continue this journey and continue to document on my YouTube channel. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah.